Good morning, students. I am Manikant Mishra, Modern English School, near area. So yesterday we had started to discuss Neil this Bohr's model of an atom. Since we have come to know that Rutherford could not explain the stability of an atom. To keep these things in mind, Neil Bohr tries to overcome those drawbacks which were found in the Rutherford's model of an atom. So he tries to explain the stability of an atom. So according to Niels Bohr, electron could revolve around the nucleus in a distinct orbit or certain orbit, or also called fixed orbit. Electron could revolve in a distinct orbit or in a fixed orbit around the nucleus. As long as it revolves around the nucleus in a particular orbit, in a distinct orbit, it does not lose or gain energy. It does not lose energy. And since electron does not lose energy, so it will not radiate energy, and there will be no question of falling electron into the nucleus. Now, just according to, this is the concept of the Bohr's model of an atom. And according to Niels Bohr, that proton and neutron present in the nucleus, and this is not only called Bohr's model of an atom, it is also called present concept of an atom. Proton and neutron present in the nucleus of an atom. Proton and neutron present in the nucleus of an atom. Due to presence of proton, nucleus is a positively charged. Electron moves around the nucleus in a certain fixed orbit. This certain fixed orbit around the nucleus is also called energy level or cell. Why this circular orbit around the nucleus is called energy level or cell? This circular path around the nucleus, this is the nucleus, and around the nucleus, this circular path is called orbit or energy level or cell, because each orbit associates a definite amount of energy. Each orbit associates definite amount of energy. Each orbit associates definite amount of energy. That's why these circular path around the nucleus are called orbit or energy level. Now, energy level orbit are counted from nucleus outwards. This orbit, this circular path, this energy level are counted from the nucleus outwards. So when you come out from the nucleus, then this is the first This is the first, second and third, fourth, fifth, sixth and so on. So this nucleus, this circular path can be represented either by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It means this is the first orbit, first energy level, second energy level, third energy level and so on. And this orbit also can be represented by K, L, M, N, O, P, Q. These are the way. So now the cell closest to the nucleus has lowest energy. The cell closest to the nucleus has lowest energy. It means K cell has lowest energy. L cell has little bit more energy as compared to K. M cell has more energy as compared to L. So out of three, K cell has the lowest energy, M cell has the maximum energy. It means cell closest to the nucleus will have the lowest energy and cell farthest from the nucleus will have the maximum energy. Next, as long as the electron keep on revolving, in any orbit, as long as the electron keep on revolving in any particular orbit, electron do not radiate energy. Electron do not lose energy. As long as electron keep on revolving in a particular orbit, do not lose energy. But when it jumps from lower energy level to higher energy level, when suppose electron is present in the K cell and it jumps from M cell, then it gains energy. Like sometimes when you are getting money from your parents, or sometimes on the way, if you see that some 500 rupees note is lying on the road and you are picking up, then you are getting energetic. So what it is, you start to dance. So what happens when the electron gains energy from outside, like when you are heating certain substances, then electron gain energy and it jumps from lower energy to higher energy. You become unstable. After gaining 500 rupees or 2000 rupees, you become unstable. What to do, what not to do with this money? Shall I buy jeans? Shall I buy t-shirt? Shall I go for lunch? And all so many things comes in our mind, and that makes us unstable in nature. It will become stable when you spend all the money. Or if you are ideal son, ideal daughter, then immediately you will go to your house and you will hand over to the money to your parents. But it happens very, very less, my dear student. Okay, so you become unstable till you hand over the money or you expense all the money. So similarly, this electron jumps from lower energy to higher energy, it becomes unstable. So again, this unstable nucleus, unstable electron coming back to the original path. So when it comes from higher energy level to lower energy level, it loses energy. when electron jumps from higher energy level to lower energy level, it loses energy. So two situations are there. When it jumps from lower, when electron gain energy, it jumps from lower energy to higher energy level. But when it jumps from higher energy level to lower energy level, it loses energy. It loses energy. This is the Bohr's concept of an atom, or also it is called present concept of an atom. Now, as we know that these electrons are negatively charged. Electrons are negatively charged. So these electrons are present outside the nucleus and forming electron cloud. Forming electron cloud. So now, as I said, the electrons are arranged. Electrons are present outside the nucleus and forming electron cloud. Forming electron cloud. Now, as I said, the different orbit or different cell has a different radius, and the different orbit or energy level, different cell has a different energy level, and the electrons also have different amount of energy level. So now electrons which have the lowest energy are found near to the nucleus or close to the nucleus. Electron which have lower energy is found close to the nucleus, and the electrons which have little more energy is little away from the nucleus, and which has yet more energy is further away from the nucleus. It means electrons are found in a different cells according to the energy, according to the magnitude of potential energy present in electron. Now, we said the arrangement of electrons in a various cell. Arrangement of electrons are in a various cell is called electronic configuration. The distribution of electron in a various cell is called electronic configuration. Now, this how to distribute, how to come to know that each cell, how many electrons will be accommodated, how many electrons will put in a particular energy level. That is decided by 2n square. That is given by Bhor and Bury. That in each cell, how many electrons can be put, or how many electrons can be accommodated in each cell, that is decided by 2n square. That is given by Bhor and Bury, where n represents the number of cell. Where n represents number of cell. So as I said, the maximum number of electrons present in each cell, maximum number maximum number of electron present in each cell is given by 2n square, where n represents number of cells. So how electron present in first cell or also called K cell. How many electrons? 2 into 1 square. So it means K cell will have maximum number of electrons 2. K cell can accommodate maximum of 2 electrons. Similarly, second cell, that is a L cell. 2 into second cell, 2 square. Here first cell, so n value is 1. N represent number of cell. So first cell, n value is 1. 2 into 1 square, 1 square 1, 1 into 2, 2. Now second cell, 2 into n value 2, 2 square, that is a 8 electron. So maximum number of electron that can be accommodated in L cell will be 8. Now third cell means M cell. 2 into third cell, it means n value 3, so 18. Now fourth cell, N cell, 2 into 4 square, that is 32. So in this way we arrange the electrons in a various cell, and this arrangement of electron in a various cell or the distribution of electron in a various cell is called electronic configuration. So please watch it carefully. If you have any doubt, please let me know. Thank you. Have a nice day.